Okay, hi, this is Michael Ellis, and I'm gonna give you a condensed version of the alchemical operations as I see them. So, like a Spark Notes type of thing. Um, where do I begin? Alchemists discovered that when you feed yeast metal and salts, you get transmutation of the metal. And that's the basis of alchemy, transmutation. That's how you move metals towards the precious end of the spectrum. That's how you get silver and gold, is with yeast and a salt. It depends on which type of salt you use with the yeast in solution. That gives you a different type of precious metal. So if you use, for say, on iron, you're using, for example, or copper, tin, or lead, anything, and you're using sodium chloride, you'll get gold. And that works for anything. Say if you're using copper and you use what's it called? Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, you're gonna get silver. And I highly recommend you make a lot of silver. Don't just go for the gold. Silver is a very important and useful metal. I know it's cheap and we have a lot of it, but there's a reason we have a lot of it in nature. So I suggest you make silver. That's what the Spirit intends us to do. And I don't know what the rest of the metals are, but there's hundreds of salts, 12 salts maybe. I don't know. I never researched that. But then you get all the other precious metals. So you're welcome. Thumbs up, because I told you this. No. Use your free will. Give it a thumbs down if I'm an asshole. So yeah. So that's the summary of it. That's the whole operations. So the alchemical operations are just a training ground for this concept. They take you through all the steps so you get all the different nuances of the alchemical out of this concept. So they teach you the alchemical operations are a training ground for these concepts. So I suggest you go and you learn the alchemical operations and try them out and see what happens. Because it's very important to learn that. So, whoa. Anyways, yeah. So it's very important to learn all this stuff. And I suggest you try all the salts in the world you can find with all the metals you can find. I don't know if there's some importance to using copper and iron together to make the different metals, but as far as I know, you can just use one metal to make any metal. That's what the old alchemists told us. So they didn't use multiple metals together. So go try this out. You'll be amazed. I know when I first used silver under heat with yeast and sugar, I got this red metal and silver crystals, and that wasn't a big deal. And I got a yellow metal. I got a red metal and a yellow metal. Or a red substance and a yellow substance. So go out and try it. Who knows what you'll find out. Share it. Share it with me. So I can write it into my books. Thanks for watching. This is Michael Ellis. Check out my t-shirt. Iron Maiden. Woo! Oh, I'm getting the woo again. I don't know. It's a pretty cool t-shirt. Here, I'll show it. See, it's got the gold and silver, and the red and green for the two different dragons, or two different lions. I don't know what else it's got. Other stuff. Iron Maiden. Oh, red and white. For the red and white stones. Alchemical shirt, people.